Hey guys, it is Vlogmas Day 21 and today is the day that the house is going to be in a complete state because we are doing Christmas cleaning. Thankfully, our space isn't the biggest space and we don't have a lot of clutter to say that we have an extensive amount of cleaning to do, but we still have cleaning to do. So I'm in the bedroom. We've already changed the curtains and I'm currently working on a couple things here or there and trying to see if we can get everything done today. This is the basket that we keep our toiletries in. I have one, Hubs has one, and I bought these at Miguel Moses because I wanted to move away from this. What happened, I had in mine oil spilled, and this is like plasticky or whatever, practically melted the plastic over time, so needed something bigger, better, and I decided to change the color to kind of match the curtains. And yeah, I need to clean those things off and transfer everything across to both of our baskets. You thought I was kidding when I said that I had no bottom of my basket and that the oil seeped through and over time wore away at the base. Now, you all know me as an alchemist girly. I even had a signature scent made for the Hubs and I. But there are other local scents that I do wear. And if you want, I could probably do a video on those sometime in the future. So the Hubs had the brilliant idea of putting up the air bed so that we have more space to put stuff, because we had a set of clothes on the couch. And of course, he wants to watch football. So the airbed has been blown up. Some stuff folded, some stuff have to hang up, some stuff needs to be sorted, but it's cleared out the living room a good bit. I'm also taking the opportunity today to declutter products because, as y'all can see, I have a lot of them. Comes with being a content creator, but I already have people lined up for stuff because I kind of know what I'm giving away. So just to like take them off, wipe down the shelf, put back what I'm keeping, put aside what I'm giving away. So I have this thing, right? I actually keep it in the bathroom in the other room, and this used to be like full of like little sample size stuff and whatnot, and I've given away a lot of it over the years. Now the reason I can't give away these is because these were opened already or tampered with, and I would not feel comfortable giving those away to persons. So what I do is, like when we have guests come over, I put these in the other bathroom. So whether it's like toothpaste, hand lotion, or whatever, they have stuff that they could use in the event that they didn't have any or they just need something. I've secretly been giving away stuff to not just friends, but followers, persons in need, because I mean, it's a lot, and it makes me happy to know that, okay, if I'm not using something and it's sitting there, and somebody else could benefit from it, why not give it away? Why not give it? I will admit, like when I started content creation, I used to be like, yeah, PR packages thing. And I mean, to an extent, I'm still always very happy when I have PR packages, but there was a point in time where I had so much stuff, like way more than this, and I started giving away, and it felt good to give to persons who, like, I remember a follower messaged me and was like, what would I recommend? And we just had a conversation, and she explained, she was going through a tough time, and I was like, hold up, I have stuff, there's no guarantee these stuff will work, but I have stuff. So we met up. I was still working downtown Port Spain at the time. So I was like, I'll meet you on Independence Square, and met up, and she was just so grateful. You see that right there? Like, I don't know, I mean, Christmas, a lot of people giving that stuff, which is cool now, but just knowing that somebody could benefit from something that I have and I could give, that just makes my day. So just trying to declutter as much as I can, keep what I need, blah, 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 so that others could benefit too. So this is where we reached so far. That is like more skin stuff. This is more hair care stuff. So we're making plenty progress, and I'm only like halfway done that shelf in the bathroom, but progress is being made. Food break, because we're hungry. So this bag is skincare stuff for my younger sister, and this bag is for my sister-in-law, that would be my younger brother's wife, and then this bag is for my other sister-in-law, being my husband's younger sister. So we're getting a good bit of stuff, and I'm glad because they will get more use out of these than I would, because I'm stocked up for a while.
But doing it, yeah. If you are, of course, going to be indulging, which many of us will be doing in the Christmas season, make sure that you have, you know, a little glass of water in between your drinks, maybe even some club soda in between your drinks as well. And if you are going to be driving, please don't drink. It's very simple. Designate, don't drink and drive. And if you have to, that you can even stay out if something happened. We're going to be real about it right here on Talk City 91.1 FM. So you go from house to house, you have a little bit of food, and also don't feel pressured. You don't have to eat everything. You take a little bit because, of course, you don't want to be rude at the end of the day, right? But if you do have any particular medical conditions, it's not a problem to tell you, goes, listen, I would love to have this piece, you know, but I really can't because of my sugar and whatever. And speaking about your sugar,
this is how the bed looks. I have to literally steam out those lines, but this is how the bed looks. I'm going in with this linen spray from Essentials, Vanilla Whisper, and just spray that around that the bed smells nice. So we did a little switcheroo, right? These curtains were in our bedroom, and we decided that instead of buying new curtains for both the bedroom and the living room, we would just use these in the living room, and honestly they look so good. All right, so update, are we done? No, because Hubs is tired and so am I, but we've gotten a lot of headway. Our bedroom is done, our bathroom is done, the living room is partially done, and by partially done I mean like I sweep and mop and I changed out the curtains. What we did, we took the curtains that were in the bedroom, washed them, and then we hung them up in the living room, and I'm very happy with that. There's a lot of stuff there. Hubs had a brilliant idea, and I mentioned it earlier, to blow up the blow up bed. So we had extra surface to put stuff on. So that's a bunch of clothes that we will sort out between tomorrow and Monday. Tomorrow would be to scrub some things, move some things, and deal with them clothes and stuff. And I foresee us not doing like anything more beyond tomorrow. Hopefully the clothes might go into Monday because there's a lot of clothes to put away. You know how it is with laundry. But yeah, we are tired, but the house is coming together. We're not ones who go crazy in terms of cleaning for Christmas, but we do like a quarterly, I think it's like a quarterly deep clean, and it kind of, the timing kind of coincided with that. So we cleaning and we doing what we have to do. I hope that your Christmas cleaning is coming along well, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.